my motherfucking birthday today, boys! Woo! Oh shit, Panda, stop! Ow! I think I said that the past like 2 videos, but that was my birthday weekend. Today is actually my birthday. October 1st, baby, it's Monday and it's lit. Leave comments down below saying happy birthday, not because I need it, but because it shares this video a little bit more, we get a little more money, and that's the ultimate birthday present. I'm taking y'all real quick though on how a boss enjoys his birthday weekend. It was really, really sick. A couple boys and I went to Vegas actually, where we had a lot of drinks, you know what I mean? We played a lot of pool, some poker. It was really, really sick. We got sushi, we met up with girls, we had a lot of fun time with others.
A few moments later.
Then we found out one of my best buddies is actually really good at poker, and we cheated the system there, which actually got us caught up with a few drug lords. Another dude got married and another guy got punched in the face by Mike Tyson. I missed it all though, because 3 days later they found me on a roof laying in my bed. I don't know how I got there. And then we got a sick birthday package at the door from Michael Jordan and the NBA. But before we get into that, I do want to say real quick that because it is my birthday today, and I want you guys to be fly like me, aka get a little bit more money from this, Easy Killer hoodies are up on the website right now if you guys want to go cop one. The link is down below. They're going to sell out real fast. I appreciate you guys. Anyone who cops on my birthday, you'll have a special chance of getting something supreme in your package. Plus, everyone's going to get a nice little letter from me. I might even smooch it with my ball sack. I don't know what that means. I guess I just put like lipstick on my balls and just teabag it. If y'all want a teabag letter from NameBran, I got you. Anyway, this video is a little birthday unboxing for NameBran. If you guys don't know, actually, I am partnered up with the NBA, the National Basketball League, for my YouTube channel. That's my network, my management. They're Gucci, and I really like them. I said yes to them when they emailed me because they work with the NBA, and people are like, who's your network? I'm like, NBA. That makes me look sick already. Hasn't gotten me any points with the girls yet, because most girls don't even know what the NBA is, but hey, the boys dig it. So what we got here is a special birthday package from the NBA. They don't know that they got this for me for my birthday per se, but they did because I ordered it so it would be here for the day, October 1st, my birthday. Now, speaking into that a little bit more, what I did when I wrote my newest contract with them is I'm like, yo, if I'm gonna be working with y'all, I want lots of free codes so I can spend lots of money on your website and get lots of free stuff. After going back and forth with a few more threats, threatening the family and whatnot, they finally said, you know what, NameBran, we're sick and tired of you. Here's a goddamn code. So I used that code to get myself a little birthday present. NBA, thank you guys. So I did get it for free. This isn't clickbait. And also there's a pair of Jordans in here. So Michael Jordan, thank you too. You know what? This is an NBA unboxing. I should be more prepared for this. Cool edit, commence! Oh my god, I used the magic of Magic Johnson to transform my outfit. No, not AIDS. Bad joke, probably. A little tasteless. They also gave me this ball one time for Christmas. Look, it says NBA Playmakers. Very sick, right? Hoop it! I just hit my cat twice. Sorry, buddy. Yeah! Not having any friends show up to my birthday be like. Alright, so what we got in here is a pair of Jordans I actually picked out. I don't even know. Whoops. I don't even know. I've never seen these before. I ain't seen anyone unbox these, and I actually checked on StockX, and they don't even exist on there, which one means either they're one of one pair, which we're probably gonna go with, or two, they're really, really shitty and nobody even wants them on StockX. Which 3 means I can name it on price. These bitches will be on StockX for $5,000 later. Check it out. Alright, I'm stoked. You guys know I never keep my own sneakers. Either I destroy them for a channel or I give them away. These I actually really wanted. I don't think they're that hype. They say Jordan International, but I thought they looked dope. And I honestly, if they look sick and people don't like them, I don't really care. Oh, we got the plastic on it. Woo! Oh no. Thank you, NBA. Thank you, Michael Jordan. First off, this is an absolute honor for you guys to think about me after I legitimately threatened your company a few times in order to get these. So without further ado, boys, we got the Jordan 5 Retro right here. That's my birthday present. This is very sick. My family doesn't do birthday presents or anything like that, so this is really, really dope. Oh, and the leather is immaculate. Immaculate? Is that a word? Immaculate? Immaculate. There we go. It really feels like an elephant's cock. Really, the leather on these are absolutely awesome. You guys let me know if you've ever seen these before though. They kind of look like Steve Nash joints, you know what I mean? From the Phoenix Suns. Oh, did they write a letter for me? Oh no, obviously they wouldn't. They literally didn't even get these for me. Okay, so we have a piece of paper. That's sick. If you guys ever actually want to shop on the NBA website, they actually drop a lot of sneakers on release day and a lot of people don't know about it. This isn't sponsored, by the way. However, it should be. You guys let me know what you think. They ain't hype, I don't think, because they're definitely not even on StockX, but I think they look clean. And honestly, the material's not as dope once I took this out. Knife test. a little hole right there. That's a name brand birthday right there. What I'm gonna do later, actually, I might even get it on film. However, I need more gasoline, and I'm gonna blow up a bunch of crap. That's how I want my birthday spent. Anyway, boys, quick little sneaker pickup right here. I just wanted something to unbox for you guys on my birthday, and I thought these were really sick, and I don't usually ever wear any cool shoes, and I thought these ones look pretty sick. Even though I just stabbed a hole in them that I actually am already regretting. Water's gonna seep in here, my foot's gonna get all soggy moist like a goddamn vagina. Ugh, that's gross. If you guys know what these are called, let me know. Or if you guys know how much they cost, let me know, because I'm putting them up on StockX Stat for $5,000. First person to buy them, well, you'll get them for $5 grand. Title option, Brandon, if you're in the editing room right now, $5,000 sneakers for Michael Jordan. Not a lie, just smart. Is this glue? Oh no, it's just a little bit of semen. I also get really stoked when I'm boxing shoes over at NBA.com. Anyway, boys, just a quick little sneaker unboxing for today. It's my birthday, so I have a couple things to do, but I wanted to unbox that for you guys and talk to you guys a little bit on this special day, which I don't even care about my birthday. I think it's fun to get more comments than I usually do, because hopefully you guys have said, happy birthday, name brand down below. More money, obviously, is what we're gonna get. Also, I do want to say before we end off this video, thank you guys so much for all the really good support on yesterday's video, the I'm dying video. I didn't actually think it'd get that much support. I thought a lot of people would be really butthurt because people don't like change, even though I haven't really displayed any change in this video, but this one was planned. Really appreciate y'all, man. I love how you guys know the potential that this channel has and the potential I have as a fellow idiot to make the greatest content, not ever on YouTube, but probably better than at least some people. So we'll be here. We'll be here doing some cool stuff. I'm probably gonna film a sex tape real soon or something like that, just to really get the hype up as my channel changes and really digresses, which is probably a bad progresses. I think that's better. Progresses into something really sick. So Selena Gomez room tour coming real soon. Make a Selena Gomez room if you guys forgot about that. And also, I'm going to stalk her soon. I can't say that on the internet. I'm going to find her soon and just have maybe dinner with her if she somehow says yes. So that's awesome. Appreciate y'all. NameBran fans, Merc in the game. Leave a thumbs up down below. And what we're going to do now, because it is my birthday. Hold on, there's a bunch of glue on my camera. How did I get that? Because it's my birthday, and if you made it to this far in the video, I have an extra. I said I had one extra before, but I actually found a couple others of Selena Gomez's hot tea, straight to the point by name brand. It just says it right on the shirt. If you guys want to win one in this video, it's my birthday, and I feel like you guys got to get something too. All you got to do is thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, hit the notification bell, and my Instagram's right here. If you guys hit me up with a message on my Instagram after following me, obviously, if you want to, that's how I pick who's going to win it. Appreciate y'all. Y'all are Merc in the game. The greatest of all time. This won't be at 10 minutes, damn it. But, yeah, oh, can we just look at the third eye on my damn forehead for a second? This is the first pimple I've had in like 3 years. Ugh. Anyway, appreciate y'all. Shout out to the honeys out there too, man. I got a girlfriend, but you know, no, okay, bye.